The Meibes large distribution system is a modular system for the boiler room which was designed based on the quick mounting system principle. Due to the modular design, the system is ideal for retrofitting measures and new structures. The system consists of distribution units with 2 or 3 heating circuits, pump groups already delivered pre-assembled as a complete unit, a 90-degree angle piece for corner solutions, and the boiler guard with 3 functions as a connection to the energy generator. The individual components are insulated and can be combined as needed. Victolic pipe connection technology ensures simple, fast, and secure connections. The boiler guard is the connection to the heat generator or accumulator. It comprises several functions: air separator, dust catcher, and hydraulic diverter. Combined in one device, it is particularly easy and quick to assemble. The distributor system consists of units with 2 or 3 heating circuits. These can be combined in any combination. For difficult space conditions, solutions for corners with a 90-degree angle piece are available. Due to the modular system, the distributors can be easily brought into the cellar. Adjustable feet level uneven flooring and make installation easier. The pump groups complete the system. They make the distributor a system. The pump groups for mixed and unmixed heating circuit sizes DN25 to DN65 can be supplied with a wide selection of pumps. Several fittings are also included in the pump groups: the locking fittings, a dust catcher, and alternatively a circuit control valve. A gravity brake is installed in each supply line. The pump groups are prefabricated as a complete unit. It only has to be connected with the distributor by a Victolic union. The connection system. Victolic is a known connection system for pressure systems. The pipe ends on the distributor and pump groups are prepared for the connection with a roller groove. The installation is simple and safe. The pipes are connected as butt joints. Then the bracket is placed and tightened in the beading on the pipe ends. The special feature. Though rigidly screwed in, a Victolic connection is still flexible up to 3 degrees. Differences can thus be equalized, for example at the connection to the heating circuit pipes. A wide variety of connections are available for connecting the pipe groups to the heating circuit. Finally, the insulations are attached and the system can be put into operation. Meibes distributor systems for easy, quick, and safe installation.